Hi, I'm Bobby. I'm here today to help you save some money and replace your car's own cabin air filter. Okay, so first step is you want to go down to your local car accessory store, whichever one you prefer, and there they should have a computer or something where you can punch in the year, the make, and the model of your car, and they should tell you exactly which air cabin filter to buy. Today we're going to be changing the filter on a Toyota Corolla. So take a seat in your passenger seat because the cabin filter is actually inside your glove box. So let's open it up and we're just going to put it on our dashboard. So next you're going to want to open your glove box, and there's a little latch here on the side closest to your door. You're just going to want to pop that out. You're going to want to push towards the door, and you're just going to leave it be there. And then right after that, you're going to take both of your hands and just put it anywhere along the side here. You're just going to push right into the middle, and your glove box should pop down like that. Alright, so next you're going to have to look for this long, skinny, rectangular piece. And there's a little tab closer to the passenger side door. And you're just going to want to push that in towards the driver's side, and you're going to want to pull it, and it's all going to come out. Okay, so next you want to very slowly and gently take this out because there's a lot of gluck and debris on here, as you can see. And then you want to dispose it in a bag. And you don't want any of this dust and debris to get into your car because it is very disgusting. Okay, so this is the perfect time to check and make sure that this is nice and clean before you put in your new filter. So next you're going to want to grab your new cabin filter. And this one, it doesn't have a particular way to go in. There's two ways because there's felt on these two sides. But yours might be a little different. So just make sure you follow the instructions and what it says on the box. Okay, so now we're going to put the cabin filter in. And then you're going to want to grab your lid. And there's two sides. There's this one side with a little tab. You're going to want to make sure that that is facing your passenger side. Also, there's a little thing that says up. Make sure that's facing up. Then you're going to want to put it in and make sure it clips in. All that's left is you're going to want to push your glove box up like normal, except don't push it up fully. You got to remember about that latch here. You're going to want to push that in towards the driver's side and then close it up like normal, and you're all done.
Like and subscribe if this video is helpful to you.